In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart in TradingView. If you've built a few different chart setups over time and want to clean things up, this quick guide will walk you through removing the ones you no longer need. In TradingView, what many people call a chart is saved as a layout. A layout stores your symbols, time frames, indicators, drawings, and chart settings. Deleting a chart in this context means removing that saved layout from your list. Before you delete anything, make sure any changes you want to keep are already saved to the correct layout. Once a layout is deleted, it's gone. So it's worth taking a moment to confirm you're working with the right one. Here's the simple flow. While you're on the TradingView chart screen, press the period key, the dot, on your keyboard. That single tap opens your list of layouts. If nothing pops up, click once on the chart area to bring it into focus, then press the dot again. On most keyboards, the dot is the same key you use to type a period at the end of a sentence. You don't need to hold Shift, just press the dot by itself. This quick menu is designed to help you switch between, rename, and manage your saved layouts faster. When the list appears, move your mouse over the layout you want to remove. As you hover over it, a small trash can icon will appear to the right of that layout's name. Take a second to double-check the name and, if shown, the timestamp, so you're targeting the correct layout and not one you still rely on. Now, click the trash can icon. TradingView may ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm, and that layout will be removed from your account's saved layouts list. You'll notice it disappear immediately from the panel, and it won't show up the next time you open your layouts. If you change your mind before confirming, simply cancel, and the layout will remain intact. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth. If the dot shortcut doesn't respond, ensure your browser tab or app window is active and the chart area is selected. Keyboard shortcuts can vary if your keyboard layout is non-standard, but the dot key is the intended trigger. If you're unsure about a layout, pause and review its contents by loading it first, then return and repeat the process. And that's it. Press the dot to open your layouts, hover to reveal the trash icon, and click to delete. Simple, fast, and effective for keeping your TradingView workspace tidy.